Hey everyone, it's Ashley from the Art Factory, and today I'm painting a cheetah design here on my friend Bryn. So grab your Art Factory Tiger Mask cake and take the sponge and load it up. And then you're going to put the darkest orange to the outside, and you're going to go ahead and apply that all over the face in a large circular motion. Be sure to stop when you get down to the mouth area because you don't want to go past there because we're going to put the chin down there. So go ahead and put that in with the lighter color in the middle. You can refill with the shimmer white if you want. It looks really cute. You can put that in for the muzzle, and then I put a little bit on the top for the ears. Then I use the darkest orange on the cake to go ahead and add some orange on the ears. After you get all of your color laid on, go ahead and dry it off on the eyes. I like to make sure the eyes are really dry because the kids are really much more comfortable that way. And then I take that orange and then I put a little bit down on the chin area just to kind of bring the design to a full mask. Then you're going to grab your Art Factory number 4 round and you're going to fill it up with some black. Here I'm using the GTX True Black, which is from one of the new brands we carry, GTX Cowgirl Paints. These paints are great and I really enjoyed them. And as you can see, I'm just loading up my brush and then twirling it along the cake to bring my brush to a really nice point. Then you're going to go ahead and have them tilt their head up, close their eyes, and I'm going to go ahead and paint little half ovals over their eyes, and then I'm going to bring that line down into the muzzle. Good. It looks really cool if you make the ears and the top of the head a little fluffy, so I'm doing some little fluffy lines. I love to add little fluff inside the ears too. And be sure that you're using light touch with your brush because the lighter you are with your brush, the easier it is to control. You can start at the bottom and do this kind of scallop pattern to make the side of the face look really fluffy. It gives it a really nice finished edge. And then of course you're going to go back with your brush and do a quick little nose, and then I like to bring a line straight down to the top lip for the muzzle. For the whiskers, I like to do dots that start large and get smaller as they go in. I usually do a couple of sets on each side. And then of course, to make that kind of water eyeliner look, I'm just gonna do a really quick black line under the eye. Sometimes if they're having trouble with that part, I'll ask them to look up at my hand above their head, and it makes it a little easier. So now I'm gonna go back with that black, and I'm gonna outline the chin on the bottom, again, making it fluffy to match the top of the head. And I'm gonna fill in the bottom lip with black. Boop, boop, boop. You can take that same brush and use it to draw little dots and more of a kind of a leopard print pattern on the sides of the face. I like to have them all kind of pointing toward the center of the face. I like to start small and get bigger. So the closer I am to the nose, the smaller my dots, and the closer I am to the outer part of the face, the bigger. Sometimes it helps to draw them in kind of a C-shaped pattern. Makes it look a little bit more organic. We're not going for super realistic here, but it does help to have it look kind of realistic so that it's recognizable. You don't need a ton of dots to make it great. I think 3 or 4 on each side is fantastic, and then the top you can fit a bit more on the forehead. And then we're all done with that. So we're going to take a little small brush, a number 3 Art Factory round.
Good job.
I'm going to fill it up with some white. This is just tag white. I'm going to add some little flicks for whiskers.
Some more? Yeah, good job.
Of course, remember that all of these projects are done with Art Factory products and can be bought on our website at artfactoryus.com.
Look up at the camera and go.
And there you have it. She's so cute.
All right.
Look at that face. I love painting Bryn. Visit us at artfactoryus.com.